What's up guys, Keith Trade. Today is June 25th and I'm going to be going over today's model. Right, the model that's going to get you passed, the model that's going to get you paid out, the model that's going to get you profitable. Right, and we could just proof here, right? Caesar took the trade today off the model. Here's his payout, right? This is our A plus setup, right? Regardless of the condition, this model is going to play. So number one, we did not trade the morning, right? We know the Fed speaks at 7 a.m. Pacific. Didn't trade. Hopped on, observed, didn't see much. But here is what I was looking at. On the 4 hour. Right, on the 4 hour, we had a fair value gap here. Still has not been tested yet, but I was looking for market to a price. Right, we swept out the highs. We started to find the reversal. Why did I like that narrative so much? We just have a bunch of stacked 1 hour lows here. We have lows here, lows here, right, lows here, lows here. We're just stacked up a bunch of lows. And when I saw the market make that move lower, we end up inversing this bullish and we formed this bearish 1 hour. That was our areas of interest, right? Came back into the 1 hour. How did we act? Rejected. We know we have our stacked sell side targets lower, right? And we ended up having a small SMT. It wasn't a clear SMT, but we can see that ES did not reprice to the 1 hour, right? So we can see NQ repriced to the 1 hour fair value gap. It was that 918 high. Right, and Q prices. Coming to ES on that same time frame. Whoops, wrong thing. Coming to ES on that same time frame, we can see that 918 high here, right? We failed to sweep it, making a lower high, mainly just off the 1 hour. We can see that we have that SMT here, right? Failed to sweep out that 1 hour high, lower high. Coming to NQ, we can see that we swept out that high, higher high. So we have an SMT, we have a higher time frame rejection off the fair value gap. Where's your point of entries? Inverse here, inverse here. What I did differently was we were playing through 5-minute bullishes, so I did not take the initial early entry. For me, I was a bit iffy. Once we sold through the 5 minutes, we got the rejection off that initial inverse and got a strong close. I got short at 441. Usually I would short the first, but I wasn't too confident just yet. The conditions have not been good, so I ended up grabbing my short here at 441. My stop loss being placed at 59 high, which was about a 17-point risk. My TP1 being the internal low. Scaled some out. TP2 scaled some more out. TP3 scaled some more out. Our last TP was these lows to a price into the 4 hour fair value gap. We just did not get that hit. I ended up getting stopped in profit around here. And that took a re-entry short here for a little scalp, but that's besides the point. Today, this is the model, right? Number one, what do we look for? Narrative, right? We've swept out higher. We've inversed the 1 hour. We formed the 1 hour bearish. Why should I want to see lower? Stacked sell side to do what? Fill the 4 hour fair value gap and the 1 hour lower. Did not get hit. Okay, now we know we want to see short. Where are my areas of interest? 1 hour fair value gap, right? If not, 15-minute fair value gap. If not, right, 5-minute fair value gap. Something to play off. Okay, we hit the 1 hour. We left an SMT. For me, that makes it an A plus model with the SMT there. Now I zoom in to find my point of entry. Inversed, inversed, whatever you want. Or 1 minute fair value gap short, don't matter. Entry, stop, TP, bang. We'll get you paid out. It'll get you paid out, I'll tell you that much. But that's going to be a quick review for June 25th, right? My A plus model. This is the model that will make you profitable. But it's just not just going to be that. You're not going to see this model every day and be like, okay, I'm going to get it and I'm going to win it. It doesn't work like that. You have to have the structure. You have to have the narrative. You have to have the reason why the market should go there. You have to have the proper risk, and you have to understand the conditions. But with that being said, that's going to be today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the Discord, we have a link in the bio. We'd be happy to have any and all new members. But until next time, guys, peace out.